What's up, CUNY Cribs? Welcome, bienvenidos.
Welcome to Casa de las Américas.
If you need guidance, resources, or just someone to hype you up, come to Casa de las Américas, M144.
Welcome everyone, I'm Natalie, and my win this fall is in a month-to-month increase in event attendance. Mentees love to be here and they keep coming back.
I'm Juan. This semester, our persistence rate is around 82%. That is great. It means 4 out of 5 students complete and finish the program.
Hi, I'm Maggie, and we have a high-touch program, and the numbers reflect it. Our average ratio for mentor to mentee is 15:1, which means the 4 of us can help up to 60 students.
I'm Monique, and the highlight of our program is connecting students with mentors who support their academic and personal success. Our mentor team is strong.
Yum! Empanadas! Can I have one?
No way, man. Get your own.
You have 3. Here at our crib, you can get a home-cooked meal como en casa de mami.
Here we have our very own hydroponics lab with state-of-the-art grow lights that allow us to grow our own fruits and vegetables all year round. Ooh, I love chilies. You know what they say, a pepper a day keeps the doctor away.
Ay, me acaban de cancelar la comida para el evento del día de hoy. And I have a report due in 20 minutes and I don't have the data. Do you have the data? Please tell me you have the data. And the flyers? Oh my gosh, we ran out of flyers. And we don't have anything. I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh, I have back-to-back meetings. I don't know what to do.
Yeah, this is pretty much my life. They talk, I panic, and somehow everyone's live with a plan, and I ended up with 2 less years of life. My life is basically a telenovela with homework. Nadelka.
Welcome to La Finca. Here, our urban agriculture students grow all of this amazing food that we donate to our food pantry. Follow me. Between growing 3,500 pounds of food, taking care of a toddler, and doing all of my classwork, it's a full-time job, but I'm happy to do it. See you around.
Okay, Valerie, I think you're all set for next semester. Do you need anything else?
No, it's okay.
Okay, if you need anything, please let me know.
Sure.
Okay? All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, I gotta get going. Okay, y'all, see you later.
Welcome to the club!
Part of the crew!
¿Qué pasa, mi gente?
I'm late.
Ay, yo también. Wait for me. He has a really good.